2,000 years ago, a merchant ship sailed toward Rome loaded with treasure from the ancient Greek world. Bronze statues, jewelry, luxury goods, and hidden somewhere among its cargo was an object more valuable than all of them combined. But before the ship could reach its destination, a violent storm swallowed it beneath the sea. For over 2,000 years, the wreck remained untouched in darkness. Until 1901. A group of Greek sponge divers searching underwater noticed something strange buried in the mud. A bronze hand. At first, they thought it was just another statue from an ancient shipwreck. But hidden among the treasure was a corroded lump of bronze unlike anything ever discovered. When researchers cleaned it, the object cracked open. At first, nobody understood what they were looking at. The object was filled with tiny bronze gears, carefully engineered with astonishing precision. It looked like some kind of machine, but that made no sense. Because machines this advanced should not have existed in the ancient world. Inside were gears, dozens of them, tiny mechanical teeth, carefully engineered. For years, scientists tried to understand what the device actually did, and the deeper they looked, the stranger it became. Using X-rays and modern 3D scans, they slowly reconstructed the device. And what they discovered was astonishing. This ancient machine could predict the movement of the sun, the moon, planetary positions, eclipses, even the timing of the Olympic Games. It was essentially the world's first analog computer. The user would turn a small handle on the side, and inside, a network of bronze gears simulated the motion of the cosmos itself. Imagine building a mechanical model of the solar system, without electricity, without modern tools, over 2,000 years ago. And somehow, they did it. The machine is now known as the Antikythera Mechanism, and honestly it changes the way we think about ancient civilization. We often imagine ancient humans as primitive, but the people who built this device understood astronomy, mathematics, engineering, and precision mechanics at a level historians once thought impossible for their time. What's even stranger, this machine was probably not unique. Ancient texts describe other devices like it, possibly created by inventors such as Archimedes, which means the Antikythera mechanism may not have been the first, just the only one that survived. And it survived because of a storm that sank a ship into the sea over 2,000 years ago. Sometimes history isn't lost because humanity forgot it. Sometimes history sinks.